You know that feeling? You've been studying for hours, but your brain feels scrambled. You're exhausted, but your to-do list is untouched. What if I told you the problem isn't your effort? It's your environment, and that there's a way to finish your entire day's work in one powerful 4-hour block? This is the monk mode protocol. It's not just another study tip. It's a 21-day brain reset for students who are tired of procrastination and mental fog. It's used by CEOs and creators to do deep work, and today I'm breaking it down so you can use it too. By the end of this video, you'll have a simple 3-step plan to lock in like never before and finally get your nights and weekends back, guilt-free. The first rule of monk mode is this: you cannot build focus in a chaos factory. Your brain right now is probably hooked on cheap dopamine. The notifications, the quick scrolls, the "I'll just check this one thing." So, step 1 is radical. For your next 4-hour work block, your phone isn't just on silent, it's in another room. You are signing a do not disturb pact with the world. Tell your roommates or family, "I'm in monk mode for the next 4 hours." This isn't being rude, it's being respectful to your own future. You are temporarily leaving the noisy digital society so you can build something meaningful. Monk mode isn't just about working, it's about preparing your machine, your mind and body, for peak performance. Think of it like an athlete warming up. Non-negotiable number 1, 10 minutes of meditation. Before you even look at your work, sit in silence. Breathe. This isn't woo-woo, this is clearing the RAM of your brain. It shuts down the 20 open tabs of anxiety and to-dos so you can boot up with a clean desktop. Non-negotiable number 2, 30 minutes of exercise. A brisk walk, some jump ropes, anything to get your heart rate up. High physical energy directly fuels high mental focus. You're literally waking your system up and signaling, it's go time. Non-negotiable number 3, the 4-hour deep work block. This is the main event. One task only. If you're writing a paper, you're writing. If you're studying biology, you're on that one chapter. No switching. Your focus is a laser, not a flashlight. It will feel hard at first, but that's the point. You're rebuilding your focus muscle. Here's the beautiful part, the light at the end of the tunnel. Once that block is done, you are free completely. You can binge that show, play games, hang out with zero guilt. Because you didn't just spend time, you compressed and conquered your work. For the first time, your leisure time will actually feel like leisure, not avoidance. The monk mode protocol proves a powerful truth. It's not about having more time, it's about giving your time more purpose. Small intentional changes create massive results. Your challenge? Try this for just 3 days. Not a month, just 3 days. Experience what it's like to be in control of your attention instead of it being controlled by everything else. If you want to see my exact results from a week of monk mode, the good, the hard, the transformative, check out the video on screen now. But for now, tell me in the comments, what's the one task you would tackle first in a 4-hour deep work block? Just naming it is the first step. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.